Fight Electric's T8 and T12 LED linear tubes allow you to upgrade those old fluorescent lights easily. The T8 and T12 Type B LED linear tubes allow you to easily operate your lights off direct line voltage, saving you time and money in the process. Plus, our Type B tubes come in selectable white or cool white at 4000 Kelvin. Since these tubes require a ballast bypass, please note that they operate off 120 volts for residential homes and 277 volts for commercial buildings. Our Type B tubes provide the newest, simplest, and fastest installation on the market because you can keep your existing lamp holders. Here at Fight, we do this by making our Type B LED tubes use a double-ended wiring configuration. If you don't know how to do that, here's how. Start by turning your power off at the breaker. Then, remove your old tubes from your fixture by twisting and pulling them out. Remove the ballast cover to expose the wiring and the ballast. Then, cut all wires leading to the ballast and all wires leading from the ballast to the lamp holders. Strip the feed wires along with the wires from both lamp holders about 1 inch to provide sufficient length to connect to AC power. Then, group one side of the lamp holder's wires and attach them to the black line or hot wire using a wire nut. Group and attach the other lamp holder's wires to the white neutral wire. Once connected, you have the option to remove your old ballast. Lastly, neatly group your wires together and replace the ballast cover. Place the fixture retrofit label on the hot side of the ballast cover. Once you've obtained your Fight Electric T8 Type B bulbs, install them by aligning the line and neutral ends of the bulb with your wiring. Then, insert the pins into the lamp holders and twist them until they stop. Finally, restore your power at the breaker and enjoy the energy savings and convenience of the Fight Electric LED Type B linear tubes.